Top 5 Investment Tracking Apps for Beginners.
Looking to manage your investments with ease? In this video, we'll explore 5 of the most user-friendly investment tracking apps. These tools are designed to help beginners monitor their portfolios, analyze performance, and make smart financial decisions with confidence. Whether you're just getting started or want a simple way to stay organized, these apps have you covered.
1. Personal Capital All-in-One Management.
Personal Capital is a popular choice for beginners, offering a comprehensive dashboard that combines investment tracking with budgeting tools. Its intuitive interface helps users visualize asset allocation, track net worth, and plan for retirement. Automated analysis highlights portfolio performance and fees, making it easy for newcomers to understand where their money is going and how to optimize their investments.
2. Robinhood Simplified Investing Experience.
Robinhood is well known for its user-friendly app that caters to first-time investors. In addition to commission-free trading, Robinhood offers easy portfolio tracking and performance charts. The simple design lets users monitor their holdings at a glance while learning about market movements. Educational features and real-time notifications help beginners stay informed and engaged with their investments.
3. M1 Finance Automated Portfolio Monitoring.
M1 Finance combines automated investing with straightforward portfolio tracking, perfect for beginners who want a hands-off approach. Users can build custom portfolios called pies and let the app automatically manage allocations. The app's clear visuals show gains, losses, and diversification, making it easy for users to track progress and maintain balanced investments with minimal effort.
4. Wealthfront Goal-Based Tracking Tools.
Wealthfront is designed with simplicity and education in mind. This robo-advisor app provides easy-to-understand tracking for your investments and financial goals. Users can see all their accounts in one place and receive personalized advice on how to reach milestones like buying a home or saving for retirement. Wealthfront's automated approach helps beginners invest and monitor progress without the guesswork.
5. Fidelity Trusted Platform with Robust Tracking.
Fidelity's app offers a trusted platform for beginners and experienced investors alike. It provides detailed tracking of your investments, including stocks, mutual funds, and retirement accounts. The clear layout, educational resources, and planning tools make it easy to get started. Beginners can set up custom watch lists, receive market alerts, and access customer support to build confidence as they grow their portfolios.
Choosing the best app for you.
Each of these investment tracking apps brings unique features to help beginners stay on top of their portfolios. Consider what matters most to you: easy navigation, goal tracking, automation, or educational tools. With the right app, managing your investments becomes simpler, so you can focus on growing your wealth and staying informed every step of the way.